welcome back to my channel. I am loving life freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on Ebay Poshmark and Mercari, and I have another unboxing. I haven't ordered from this company for a while just because there's a couple of different companies that I've ordered from in the past, but I have found that some of the cogs, even on the really nice brands, has been a bit steep for me personally, the way I run my business. I tested this one out. I think the cog was high on this, but I only got 5 pieces this time, you guys. So again, this is through Boutique by the Box. These items are almost always new with tags, new without tags, and the items are almost always in excellent condition. I did have one box where I had an item that had a hole in it, and I reached out to them, and they did actually give me a discount for an order. And I did not, I don't think I may have used that. No, I couldn't use that on this one because it didn't qualify. But anyway, let's look into this one. I got this because people were talking about it, and I only got 5 pieces. I think my cog on this one was high because I think I only paid like $100 for this box, and it's 5 pieces. So I am going to be very, very particular in the future about my my orders for Boutique by the Box. I think it's a great company. They have great items, but for me, the way I'm trying to steer my business on my platforms is keeping my cog low. Even if you can double your money in an item that's like $15, $20. I've seen some people buying things from this company where their cog is like $25, $27 a piece. For me, the way I do things, I don't want to have to worry about whether or not I'm making $60 on an item to double my money and fees like on Poshmark and eBay, okay? For me, I just find that that's high. Some people say, you know what, it's great because you can sell something for $100 and you're doubling your money. But I have noticed when I'm looking at sold comps on some of these pieces that people are getting in these boxes, they're not selling for as high as they think it's going to sell. And I'm not saying that in a negative way towards them. Some pieces do. But I think oftentimes when those pieces sell for over $100, it's a unique buyer. A lot of people are looking to buy something like this for less than $100. The only time I've seen if something really goes high in price is a really nice evening gown. I've sold those for over $100, $150 or more, and they're really fancy evening gowns. But when it comes to pieces like this, especially if it's a tank top or a simple piece or something like that, you're not going to double your money on a lot of these pieces if your cog's that high. So I am very particular about what I get, and I know that other people are feeling that way too because I've been noticing that in the comments. They do let you know that they've doubled and triple checked the count, which is great. And again, the pieces are always in good condition. I am just very mindful moving forward with how I'm trying to do things to make more money in my store, making sure that my cog is a little bit lower. So I did order this a couple weeks ago, and I have made some other decisions since then. So, and I have purchased other items for Boutique by the Box where the cog was really low, it was like $5. My issue with those is they haven't been selling as quick as I had hoped because the brands aren't popular. So I tried both sides of it, and you'll have to figure out for yourself. I don't have a problem with their items. Their items are always good condition. I've only had one issue, like I said, and they took care of it. So this brand is 1 teaspoon. And again, I only got 5 pieces. I am hoping to double my money. I think since there's 5 pieces, whatever 5 is, so it's probably $20 a piece, okay? Which isn't too bad. I'm hoping to sell these for maybe $50 or $60, maybe make my money back, and then maybe like half of the double. I don't think I'm going to double on all these. It'd be great if I could, but since they are shorts and stuff, I am already in the mindset when I got this box that hopefully I'll at least double and a half. So again, this one is teaspoon. This is women. This is a size 25. And this is, oh, it says made in Turkey. Okay, so this is the Super Con short, size 25. These are cute. They have the distressed hem. Okay, so there's that one. And I purposely only got 5 because I just didn't want to pay that much more. And I've never sold this brand before, so I did want to test it out. I like Ted Baker, but not all the pieces in the Ted Baker box that I got can sell for high, okay? So I was a bit more mindful when getting this box. Sorry, it's really crinkling. Let me open this one. I believe this was the denim box. Okay, here's another pair of shorts. This one is, let me just look at the tag. Blue Colt, size 30. And again, distressed. I am going to get these listed very soon because these are shorts. I'll have my husband take pictures of these probably in the next couple days, and we'll get these up and going right away. Wow, this is really noisy. I apologize if this is too noisy, you guys. Okay, I think here's another pair of shorts. Okay. All right, 1 teaspoon. Okay, these are very different. Look at the front of these. Look at the waistband. It's higher up and then it buttons. So you have this gap here in the waistband. That's the way it was made. So this is interesting. I've never seen shorts like that before. These are called Rocky and they're a size 31. And they are also a distressed look. Very shorty shorts. Okay? And then I think I have 2 more pieces here. So sorry guys, this is so loud. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think these are also shorts. Okay. These are white. And these are the chalk, and these are a size 24. So these are a very popular style right now too. See how it's really frayed at the bottom and everything. So yeah, test these out. And then I have one last piece in here that is not in a bag. 1 teaspoon. This is a size small. Did they give me an extra piece? I'll have to count them. This is a size small. I think this is, it might be a dress. What does it say? Black, size small. Yeah, it's Ultimate chain dress. Oh, it's got chain detail down the side. So this is the dress. So let me count the pieces. Okay, yeah. So it's 5 pieces. Okay, and I'm kind of glad that the dress is in there too. Like I said, I do believe, I'll make a note of it over here. I do believe, I'm pretty sure I paid $100 for it. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it over here because I've just had a lot of numbers going through my mind the last few days. But I think that's what it was. So 5 pieces, so I think it's like $20 a piece. Again, I don't know that I'm going to be doing the higher cogs for a while because I really, really want to keep things low. I have found some other ways to do some other sourcing that I've really been happy with. Yeah, things are just going well in that direction. I am doing my first Posh show tonight, so I'm super excited to see how that goes. Things are picking up for me on Whatnot shows with the kids shows. So guys, yeah, things are changing. If you ever want to try out Boutique by the Box, again, they always have good quality. It's always either new with tags or new without tags. So if you're comfortable with buying something that has a higher cog on it and doubling your money with these really expensive brands, go for it. This was kind of a test run for me. I don't know that I'm going to be buying the higher cog prices right now anymore for a while, just because I'm going in a different direction. So I hope this was a help to you to see what a box of 5, I think it was, I don't know that they were denim because they gave me a dress. It may have been like some higher, nicer pieces or something that I got. But yeah, I just want to at least share this with you. And guys, if you want to subscribe, please do so. We have a weekly reseller chat. I've been putting out some other videos about marketplaces and just changes and different things. So please do feel free to give this a thumbs up and hit the bell notifications so that you know when other videos are coming out. I apologize, my eye's kind of bugging out. I apologize. I'm not trying to not look at you, but I can see my eye is freaking. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.